Hello and a very warm welcome to all of you for the discussion on general knowledge part of CDS exam held on 8th of November 2020. The English part of this exam has already been discussed and the link is provided in the description box, you people can check. So let's begin our discussion. Question number 1. As per the budget estimates of 2019 and 20, important sources of tax receipts for the union government, इन सबको हमने chronological order में लगाना in the descending order of for the foresaid tax receipts as a percentage of GDP. The answer correct here is B. सबसे पहले इसमें corporation tax है, then comes goods and services tax, फिर tax on income other than corporation tax and last में union excise duties है. Next question. As per World Bank's ease of doing business rankings, India's rank has improved from 142 in 2014 to 63 in 2019. लेकिन फिर भी किन पैरामीटर्स में जो इंडिया का रैंक है वो डिटीरियोरेट हो रहा है, तो उसमें द करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, रजिस्टरिंग प्रॉपर्टी. इंडिया स्टिल लैग्स इन एरिया सच एज इन्फोर्सिंग कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स, जिसमें कि इंडिया का रैंक 163 है, एंड इन रजिस्टरिंग प्रॉपर्टी इंडिया रैंक्स एट 154th नंबर. सो सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. नेशनल फूड सिक्योरिटी एक्ट को लेके विच स्टेटमेंट इज इनकरेक्ट? The act was enacted in year 2013. This is correct. On July 5, 2013, it came into effect. It was rolled out in the year 2014. The act legally entitles 67% of population to receive highly subsidized food grains, जिसमें कि 75% in rural areas and 50% in urban areas. So this is also correct. The act is not being implemented in all states and union territories. This is incorrect. It is implemented in all states and union territories of India. Moving on to question number 4. Indian economy से related during 2019-20 which statement is not correct? The question C is incorrect. Fiscal deficit as percent of GDP has been as per budget estimates. This is incorrect. It further widened. Question number 5. As per budget estimate expenditure on major subsidies during 1920, maximum expenditure was likely to be on food subsidy. Food subsidy पे it increased 70.8% overall its allocation in the previous year, और petroleum में it rose by 50.9%. तो सबसे ज़्यादा food subsidy पे था 70.8%. Moving on to question number 6. Which of the following Indian places receive minimum rainfall in a year? Answer here is Leh, because Leh is considered to have a desert climate. According to Köppen classification, this is BWK, and there is virtually no rainfall in Leh. And in case if we talk about Rajasthan, then Western Rajasthan receives minimal rainfall, and not Jodhpur, Jaisalmer receives the least rainfall. Except these places, northern Gujarat and southern parts of Punjab and Haryana, they also receive minimum rainfall, and the rain shadow area of Western Ghats also receives minimal rainfall in India. Question number 7. Timber vegetation is generally not found in. There are two major timber producing areas in the world. Number 1 is temperate belt, and other is scattered in tropical and equatorial zone. So the tundra is not correct. Timber vegetation is not found in tundra vegetation. Moving on to next question. Question number 8. Decadal growth rate of population जो है वो highest किस year में था? तो answer here is C, 1971. 1991 में it was 23.87%. In 1981 it was 24.66. In 71 24.80. In 61 में it was 21.64. और अभी 2011 में जो decadal growth rate of population है that is 17.64%. Moving on to question number 9. The isotherm line which divides India north-south in almost 2 equal parts in month of January is 20 degrees Celsius. You can have a look on this map. This is the isotherm line which divides India into two parts in month of January, and it is at 20 degrees Celsius. Now moving on to next question. Which one of the following indicates the tropical savanna climate? Answer is A. AW, it is for dry winter. It is for dry winter, and also AS, which is for dry summer. जो सवाना है, that is a tropical grassland which is known for its tropical wet and dry climate, and it is located near the equator and lies between southern and northern tropics. Moving on to question number 11. The largest geographical area of India covered by which one of the following type of soils? The answer is A. Inceptisols. They cover 39.74%. They are weakly developed young soil. Antisols 28.08%. They lack vertical development of horizon. They are less fertile soils. Alphisols 13.55%. They are pale grayish brown to reddish in color, and they need fertilizers. Vertisols 8.52%. इसमें क्लेई सॉइल आ जाता है. जो रेगुलर सॉइल है या ब्लैक सॉइल है, इट इज एग्जांपल ऑफ वर्टिसॉल्स. मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सिटीज इज क्लोजेस्ट टू इक्वेटर? द आंसर हियर इज सिंगापुर. Among the given options, Singapore is the nearest. This is 1.52 kilometers from equator. Colombo is 770 kilometers from equator. Manila is 1624, and Mogadishu is 140 kilometers. It's 2 to 6 kilometers. So correct answer is Singapore. अब तो कोई डाउट ही नहीं रह गया होगा, मैंने आपको एग्जैक्ट किलोमीटर्स में भी बता दिया कि डिस्टेंस क्या है इनका इक्वेटर से. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. Who among the following gave evidence before Joint Select Committee on Government of India Bill 1919 in favor of female franchise? Both of three ladies, Annie Besant, Sarojini Naidu, and Hirabai Tata. And there was one fourth lady. So answer is D. Question number 14. In which of the following places was the Ahmadiyya movement started by Mirza Gulab Ahmad? Qadian in Punjab, in Gurdaspur. So D is the correct answer. This movement was started in 1891. It was known as Qadian movement, and its objective was to reform Islam and defend it against the onslaught of Christian missionaries and Arya Smajists. And Pakistan declared Ahmadiyya community as non-Muslims in 1974. So moving on to next question. Question number 15. With whom did Subhash Chandra Bose form an alliance to destroy the Holwell Monument in Kolkata during 1939 to 40? Answer is Muslim League. B is the correct answer. Question number 16. Who among the following created the first All India Trade Union Congress in 1920? The answer is N.M. Joshi. It was created by N.M. Joshi at Bombay. He is also known as father of Indian Trade Union movement. और इसके जो first president थे वो लाला लाजपत राय थे. Moving on to next question. Which among the following was India's first trade union in the proper sense of the term? Answer is C. Madras Labour Union. It was founded by B.P. Wadia in 1918. And first trade union federation to be set up was All India Trade Union Congress in 1920. Moving on to next question. Who among the following formed the Seva Samiti Boy Scouts Association in 1914? The answer is D. Ram Bajpai. He founded Seva Samiti Boy Scouts Association at Bombay in 1914, and it was in line with the worldwide Baden-Powell organization, which banned at that time Indians from joining it. Later on the ban was lifted, and its aim was complete Indianization of Boy Scout movement in India. Question number 19. Which among the following is not correct about Secretary General of the Lok Sabha? So A is incorrect. ये एडवाइजर नहीं होता, he or she is this assist the speaker in discharging the duties but not an advisor. तो अभी जो हमारे जो करंट सेक्रेटरी जनरल हैं, शी स्नेहलता श्रीवास्तव. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. Who among the following moved the motion of secret sitting session of the Assembly 1942? I'm extremely sorry for this question. We don't know the answer of this question. So moving on to next question. Which among the following statement pertaining to president's term of office is not correct? इसमें C is not correct. The president may resign before the expiration of his term by writing to Vice President of India, not the Lok Sabha Speaker. So C here is incorrect. एंड इस केस में अगर किसी को कोई डाउट है ऑप्शंस में, तो मैं ये चीज़ भी क्लियर कर दूं कि इन केस अगर इलेक्शंस होती हैं तो जो द प्रेसिडेंट shall notwithstanding the expiration of his term continue to hold the office, and this is provided by the constitution in order to prevent a void. In this situation, vice president does not get the opportunity to act as president or to discharge the functions of president. In case office falls vacant by resignation, removal, death or otherwise, then election to fill the vacancy should be held within 6 months from the date of occurrence. तो इस केस में अगर जो वाइस प्रेसिडेंट है, ही इज नॉट अलाउड. द प्रेसिडेंट रिमेन इन द ऑफिस till his successor enters upon his or her office. Question number 22. Which of the following articles in Constitution of India are exceptions to fundamental rights enumerated in Article 14 and 19? Answer is A. जैसे कि आप सबको पता होगा 44th अमेंडमेंट 1978 जो है, इट अबॉलिश द राइट टू प्रॉपर्टी विच रिपील्ड द आर्टिकल 19 पार्ट एफ, सबसेक्शन एफ, एंड आर्टिकल 31 फ्रॉम पार्ट 3. और उसके बाद नाउ आर्टिकल 31A, 31B and 31C are included in the chapter of fundamental rights. They cannot be called as fundamental rights in real sense because they don't confer fundamental right, but they impose certain restrictions on right to property. तो आर्टिकल 31A, 31B और C जो हैं, they are restrictions on right to property. So A is the correct answer. Next, which of the following is not necessary condition for the issue of writ of quo warranto? Answer here is C. The office must be a substantive one, which means कि a permanent character का office होना चाहिए, created by the constitution. It cannot be issued in cases of ministerial office or private office. Literal sense इसकी होती है by what authority or warrant. Question number 24. Article 338A जो है, it deals with National Commission for Scheduled Tribes. 89th कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट 2003 में जो आर्टिकल 338 है, it was amended and a new article 338A was asserted, and by this amendment the National Commission for Scheduled Tribes and National Commission for Scheduled Castes, they were separated. Question number 25. August 12 is celebrated as International Youth Day, और इसमें जो वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे है जून 5 है, जो नो टोबैको डे है 31 मई है, जो इंटरनेशनल डे अगेंस्ट ड्रग अब्यूज एंड इलिक ट्रैफिकिंग है, दैट इज 26 जून. नेक्स्ट, जो साइक्लोन आया था महाराष्ट्र गुजरात कोस्ट लाइन पे, निसर्गा नेम जो है, ये नेम बांग्लादेश ने सजेस्ट किया था, और इसका मीनिंग इसको बांग्लादेश ने सजेस्ट किया था. बी इज द आंसर. इसका मीनिंग होता है नेचर. जितनी भी कंट्रीज होती हैं वर्ल्ड मेट्रोलॉजिकल डिपार्टमेंट को नेम सजेस्ट करती हैं, और जो न्यू लिस्ट थी उसमें ये फर्स्ट नेम था जो इंडियन मेट्रोलॉजिकल डिपार्टमेंट को मिला. नेक्स्ट, शकुंतला देवी के ऊपर जो बायोपिक मूवी बनी ऑन द लाइफ ऑफ द फेमस मैथमेटिशियन, उसमें जो उनका जो रोल है वो विद्या बालन ने प्ले किया. डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. जीसी मुर्मू जो अभी कंट्रोलर ऑडिटर जनरल हैं, जिनको अगस्त में अपॉइंट किया गया, वो पहले यूटी ऑफ लद्दाख के गवर्नर थे, और अभी करंट में मनोज सिन्हा वहां के लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर हैं. मनोज सिन्हा इज द करंट लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर ऑफ JNK। नेक्स्ट, खेलो इंडिया यूथ गेम्स का जो 4th एडिशन है वो पंचकुला हरियाणा में होगा, तो बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। इस ईयर गुवाहाटी असम में हुआ था। विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ कोरल लीफ आइलैंड, तो इसमें जो डी कुशु आइलैंड है वो जापान का लार्जेस्ट आइलैंड है। ऑफ द 4 मेन आइलैंड्स में वो 3rd नंबर पे आते हैं इन द एरिया। इट इज बॉर्डर्ड बाय ईस्ट चाइना सी टू द वेस्ट एंड पैसिफिक ओशियन टू द ईस्ट। डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। Since 2014 and 15, India has consistently run trade surplus with US and UAE. So C is the correct answer. जिन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर बहुत डायरेक्ट है उन पे बिल्कुल भी टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना चाह रही हूँ, मैं आप लोगों को डायरेक्ट आंसर दे रही हूँ उनके। क्वेश्चन नंबर 32, इसमें ग्लोबल ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स के अकॉर्डिंग डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में कंट्रीज को लगाना है, तो जो कंट्री टॉप रैंकिंग पे होगी उसकी स्कोर ज़्यादा होगी। आंसर हेयर इज ए। जो जर्मनी है ये 4th नंबर पे है, US is on 15th, South Africa is 113 and India is at 129. Question number 33. As per the use-based classification of Index of Industrial Production, which is released by Central Statistical Organization, मैक्सिमम वेट जो है वो किसको असाइन हुआ है, तो मैक्सिमम वेट प्राइमरी गुड्स को असाइन हुआ है। ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर 34.05%, इंटरमीडिएट गुड्स को 17.22%, कंज्यूमर ड्यूरेबल्स को 12.84 एंड कंज्यूमर नॉन ड्यूरेबल्स को 15.33। सो ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 34, नॉर्मली देयर विल नॉट बी अ शिफ्ट इन द डिमांड कर्व व्हेन प्राइस ऑफ अ कमोडिटी फॉल्स। बहुत स्टूडेंट्स को लग रहा होगा पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ से, लेकिन पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ से चेंज आता है, देयर इज अ शिफ्ट इन द डिमांड कर्व। सो मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, market in which there are large number of firms, homogeneous product, infinite elasticity of demand for an individual firm and no control over price, this is the example of perfect competition। D, जो oligopoly है इसमें small number of sellers होते हैं and they exert control over the market of a commodity, और जो monopolistic competition है उसमें there are large number of firms each having small proportion of market share and slightly differentiated products, and imperfect competition is completely reverse of perfect competition। So D is the correct answer। इसमें से ओजोन से रिलेटेड कौन सी स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट नहीं है, तो C is the incorrect statement। जो इंटरनेशनल डे फॉर द प्रिजर्वेशन ऑफ ओजोन लेयर है ये ऑब्जर्व की जाती है ऑन September 16 नॉट November 16, and this designation was made on December 19, 2000। It marks the day on which Montreal Protocol on substances that deplete the ozone layer was signed in 1987। Question number 37, Sea of Azov is connected to, answer is A, Black Sea। You can see here in the map, this is Sea of Azov and here there is a strait, it is a very narrow strait of Kerch। The sea is bounded in the northwest by Ukraine, in the southeast by Russia। So moving on to next question, Climax mine, which is the largest producer of molybdenum, is located in Colorado, USA। B is the correct answer। Molybdenum is a primary sulfide mineral। Question number 39, यूनियन टेरिटरीज में स्मॉलेस्ट ज्योग्राफिकल एरिया किसका है, तो स्मॉलेस्ट लक्षद्वीप का है, 32.62 किलोमीटर पर स्क्वायर का एरिया है। दादर एंड नगर हवेली एंड दमन दीव का 603 है किलोमीटर पर स्क्वायर। पुडुचेरी इज 483 and Chandigarh is 114। So D is the answer। Buenos Aires and Montevideo are situated on the banks of River Plate। You can see here the Rio de Plateau is termed as River Plate। It was given name by a British person। So this is the location of Montevideo and this is the location of Buenos Aires। Montevideo is the capital of Uruguay and Buenos Aires is the capital of Argentina। and it forms a border between Argentina and Uruguay. So moving on to next question. जो ग्रेट बैरियर रीफ है, इट इज फाउंड एट, आंसर इज ए ईस्ट ऑस्ट्रेलियन कोस्ट. You can see here in the map, this is a map of Australia, this is Great Barrier Reef. It is the largest coral reef system in the world. Moving on to next question. During the 19th century, who among the following wrote Satapatra series? The answer is D. Gopal Hari Deshmukh, also known as Lok Hitwadi. He wrote Satapatra series which called for social reform. Question number 43. Which among the following was not a demand made by Congress moderates? Answer is A. Universal adult franchise was not a demand made by them. उनकी जो major demands थी, they were repeal of Arm Act, extension of permanent settlement to other areas, higher jobs in the army for Indians, demand for local self-government at wider level. They wanted more funds for technical education. Moving on to next question. Who among the following founded Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental Defense Association in 1893? Answer is D. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. He founded it with assistance of Theodore Beck, and its main purpose was to unite Muslims. Next question. After the First World War, the Triveni Sangh was formed by, answer is D, the Hirs and Kurmis. This organization was formed by three major backward classes of Bihar, Yadav, Kyori and Kurmi. They founded it in 1933 in Sahabad, and the formation of the organization has a root from Lakhochak riot of 1925. Moving on to next question. Who among the following was the first to accept ministerial position in central provinces in October 1925? Answer is A. B.S. Munji. उनके साथ हरि सिंह गौर, द्वारका प्रसाद मिश्रा, डॉक्टर अब्दुल कादिर सिद्दीकी एंड सेठ जमुना दास थे. ये 5 लोग थे. So moving on to next question. Who among the following formed the National Liberation Federation Party? Answer is C. T.B. Sapru and M.R. Jaikar. When the Montagu report of 1980 was made public, there was a divide in the Congress over it. Moderates welcome it while extremists oppose it. At that time, this party was formed in 1919. Moving on to next question. The National Disaster Management Authority functions under Ministry of Home Affairs. B is the correct answer. The National Disaster Management Authority is headed by Prime Minister, and it was established and enacted by Government of India on 23rd December 2005. जो डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट डिवीजन है, इट इज द नोडल डिवीजन इन मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर्स फॉर डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट. मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 49. The socialist idea of Sapt Kranti was proposed by, answer is A, Ram Manohar Lohia. He identified 5 kinds of inequalities. Inequality based on skin color, inequality between men and women, caste based inequality, such things. And he added more 2 revolutions, and there were totally 7 revolutions, which was his idea of socialism. Question number 50. Which among the following is not a character of a secular state? Answer is C. A state, in order to be secular, must be democratic. This is not a condition, though the genesis of democracy itself is secular. To be truly secular, a state must not only refuse to be theocratic but also have no formal legal alliance with any religion. So C is the answer. Question number 51. A special address by the governor refers to address delivered by governor. C. At the commencement of first session after general election and at first session of each year. This is given in Article 176 Part 1 of Indian Constitution. Question number 52. Which among the following is not correct related to panchayats? D. Reservation of seats for SC and STs. has nothing to do with proportion of the population. This is incorrect. The act provides for reservation of seats for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in every panchayat in proportion of their population to the population in the panchayat area, and it also provides for reservation of not less than 1/3 of total number of seats for women. Moving on to next question. Which one of the following is not correct relating to protective democracy? A is incorrect. Protective democracy believes in popular sovereignty. In this, people cannot directly take part in the process of state. They do it through their representatives. It is the primary duty, according to it is the primary duty of the state to protect the rights and liberties of citizen, and whether this is properly performed or not, people keep a strong vigilance over the function of state. Question number 54. In August 2020, वेरिएट में जो ब्लास्ट हुआ था वो अमोनियम नाइट्रेट के चलते हुआ था. वहां पे 2700 समथिंग टन ऑफ अमोनियम नाइट्रेट पड़ा हुआ था, which caused the explosion. So moving on to next question. लिटिल बॉय क्या है? आंसर इज ए. It was a code name for the type of atomic bomb which dropped on Hiroshima on August 6, 1945. A is the correct answer. Indian Institute approved by the DGCA for conducting human trials of Oxford AstraZeneca COVID vaccine is Serum Institute of India. C is the correct answer. जो recent explosion हुआ ऑयल इंडिया लिमिटेड के गैस वेल में, वो बासगान में हुआ. बासगान इज इन असम्स तिनकुशिया डिस्ट्रिक्ट. ड्यू टू रिमूविंग द स्पूल ड्यूरिंग द blowout control operations. The blowout led to the uncontrollable flow of oil from gas and caused extensive damage to the biodiversity and wildlife in that region. जिसमें कि हुलक गिबन्स भी थे और गंजेटिक डॉल्फिन्स भी थी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 58. जो अयोध्या में राम टेम्पल बन रहा है उसके आर्किटेक्ट हैं चंद्रकांत सोमपुरा. बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. और इनकी जो फैमिली है, इट इज़ नोन फॉर बिल्डिंग टेम्पल्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द सोमनाथ टेम्पल इन गुजरात was built by the father of this person, Chandrakant Sompura. क्वेश्चन नंबर 59. इन कंट्रीज में जो ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, कौन सी कंट्री है जो ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर पे लोकेटेड नहीं है? आंसर इज डी, उरुग्वाय. यू कैन लुक हियर. जो ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर है यहाँ से पास कर रही है. यूरुग्वाय की जो लोकेशन है ये यहाँ पे है, तो दिस इज ओनली एक्सेप्शन. बाकी इन सारी कंट्रीज को वो टच कर रही है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 60. आंसर इज डी. जो माउंट मेरापी है इट इज इन इंडोनेशिया. जो सकुरिजिमा है ये जापान में है. विसुविस जो है वो इटली में है. और जो मोना लोआ है वो हवाई में है. मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इसमें कौन सी मेजर टेक्टोनिक प्लेट नहीं है? जो सऊदी अरेबिया प्लेट है ये माइनर प्लेट है. ऐसे जो 7 मेजर है उसमें ये तीनों हैं, अंटार्कटिक एंड सराउंडिंग ओशियनिक प्लेट, इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया न्यूजीलैंड प्लेट, पैसिफिक प्लेट, फिर नॉर्थ अमेरिकन प्लेट, साउथ अमेरिकन जो प्लेट है, यूरेशियन एंड एडजेसेंट ओशियनिक है, फिर अफ्रीका विद ईस्टर्न अटलांटिक फ्लोर प्लेट है. इनमें से डीपेस्ट पॉइंट ओशियंस का कौन है? तो जो चैलेंजर डीप है मरीना ट्रेंच में, दैट इज द डीपेस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ द इन द ओशियंस. ये 11,034 मीटर्स डीप है एंड इट इज लोकेटेड इन वेस्टर्न पैसिफिक ओशियन. द 4 planets closest to sun are called terrestrial planets. और जो डिस्टेंट हैं फ्रॉम सन, जैसे जुपिटर, सैटर्न, यूरेनस एंड नेपच्यून, दे आर नोन एज गैस प्लैनेट्स. ड्वार्फ में अभी प्लूटो उसकी कैटेगरी में है. टेरेस्ट्रियल प्लैनेट्स में मरकरी, वीनस, अर्थ एंड मार्स आते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 64. इनमें से कौन सी कंट्री में टुंड्रा वेजिटेशन नहीं है? तो आंसर है ए, बेलारस. क्योंकि इट लाइज इन द ट्रांजिशनल जोन बिटवीन कंटिनेंटल क्लाइमेट्स एंड मैरीटाइम क्लाइमेट्स. यूएसए इसलिए क्योंकि अलास्का जो है इट लाइज इन टुंड्रा वेजिटेशन बेल्ट. रशिया एंड कनाडा. जो टुंड्रा है दिस इज ट्रीलेस पोलर डेजर्ट फाउंड इन हाई एल्टीट्यूड्स इन पोलर रीजन्स. जिसमें ग्रीनलैंड, आइसलैंड, स्कैंडिनेवियन कंट्रीज आ जाती हैं एंड सब अंटार्कटिक आइलैंड्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 65, इनमें से कौन सा फ्लूवियल लैंडफॉल जो लैंडफॉर्म है वो नहीं है? तो शुष्क नहीं है, ये ग्लेशियर लैंडफॉर्म है। बाकी सब फ्लूवियल हैं। फ्लूवियल का मतलब कि जो रनिंग वाटर से फॉर्म हुए हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 66, जो गंधारा स्कूल ऑफ आर्ट है उसमें जो स्टूको है उसने स्टोन को रिप्लेस कब किया? आंसर है ए, 1st सेंचुरी में। जो टेक्निक ऑफ स्टूको है इट वाज इन्वेंशन ऑफ द लेट हेलेनिस्टिक पीरियड इन अलेक्जेंड्रिया वेयर जिप्सम वाज फर्स्ट यूज्ड एज अ चीपर सब्स्टिट्यूट फॉर मार्बल। एज ट्रेड रिलेशंस विद द रोमन वेस्ट इंटेंसिफाइड, तो जो अर्ली 1st सेंचुरी थी उसमें ये टेक्निक पहले ईरान में आई एंड फ्रॉम ईरान इट केम टू इंडिया। ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर। गुप्ता कॉइन्स को लेके कौन सी स्टेटमेंट इनकरेक्ट है? तो इसमें जो डी स्टेटमेंट है वो इनकरेक्ट है। जो गुप्तास थे उन्होंने मैक्सिमम गोल्ड कॉइन्स इशू किए थे। बाकी तीनों स्टेटमेंट्स करेक्ट हैं। मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, जो फिलॉसफी ऑफ बॉम्ब है उसको किसने लिखा था? जो फिलॉसफी ऑफ बॉम्ब है वो भगत सिंह की मैक्सिमम राइटिंग्स में थी, लेकिन उसको लिखा भगवती चरण वोहरा ने था। सो सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। आईएनसी के कौन से सेशन में रेजोल्यूशन लिया गया था ऑन फंडामेंटल राइट्स एंड इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी? तो ये कराची सेशन 1931 में लिया गया था, जिसको प्रिजाइड किया था सरदार पटेल ने। नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टाउन वाज नॉट अ सेंटर ऑफ रिवोल्ट ऑफ 1857? अयोध्या नहीं था। दिल्ली, आगरा, कानपुर, लखनऊ ये सारे मेजर सेंटर्स थे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 71, जो आजमगढ़ प्रोक्लेमेशन है उससे रिलेटेड स्टेटमेंट 1, इट इज डेक्लेरेशन बाय रेबल्स ऑफ 1857, दिस इज करेक्ट। द स्टेटमेंट बाय द लीडर ऑफ द अंडरग्राउंड मूवमेंट इन द रिवोल्ट ऑफ 1942, इनकरेक्ट। इसका 1942 से कोई लिंक नहीं था। ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर। और इसमें इसको प्रोक्लामेशन को जो प्रोक्लामेशन थी इसको 25 अगस्त 1857 में ये प्रोक्लामेशन दिया गया था, जिसमें स्ट्रेस किया गया था ऑन यूनिटी अमंग हिंदूज एंड मुस्लिम्स, ताकि दोनों मिलकर रिवोल्ट में पार्टिसिपेट करें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 72, इब्न बतूता went to China as the envoy of which of the following Delhi sultans? The answer is B, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Ibn Battuta want to make another Hajj, but Muhammad bin Tughlaq denied. Finally, he sent him as his ambassador to Yuan dynasty of China. Question number 73, Al-Biruni's Kitabul Hind was written in which language? It was written in Arabic. A is the correct answer. It contains comments on Indian science, Hindu religious beliefs, customs and social organization. Question number 74, which of the following statements with regard to privileges of members of parliament are correct? Privileges would not be fettered by the Article 91 subsection A of the Constitution of India. This is correct. जो हम लोगों को नॉर्मल सिटीजन्स को जो आर्टिकल 91 के अंदर फिर भी रिस्ट्रिक्शंस हैं, बिकॉज हमें एब्सोल्यूट फ्रीडम नहीं है, रीजनेबल रिस्ट्रिक्शंस हैं ऑन आवर फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच, but the term freedom of speech used in this article 19 means that no member of parliament shall be liable to any proceedings, civil and criminal, in any court for statement made in debates in parliament or any committee thereof. इसलिए ये statement correct है. Next, privileges must be read subject to the articles 20, 22 and article 32 of Constitution of India. This is also correct. Immunity is available in relation to both civil and criminal prosecution. This is incorrect. Immunity is available in relation to freedom of speech. This I have already discussed. According to this privilege, no member of parliament or state legislature shall be arrested in prison in civil proceeding during period of 40 days before and 40 days after the session of the house in case of civil proceedings. So A is the correct answer, 1, 2 and 4. And the parliamentary privileges are defined in Article 105 of Indian Constitution. Moving on to next question. Which of the following statement regarding to appointment of member of parliamentary committee is correct? So D is correct. Parliamentary committee means a committee that is appointed or elected by houses or nominated by speaker or chairman. So D is the correct answer. Which of the following is not a category of political parties outlined by Election Commission of India? तो इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया क्लासीफाई करती है एज नेशनल, स्टेट और रीजनल लेवल पार्टीज. सो डी इज द इनकरेक्ट ऑप्शन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 77. The constitutional amendment of 1976 added 3 words to the preamble of Indian Constitution: socialist, secular and integrity. So B is the correct answer. It was the 42nd amendment, also known as mini constitution. It added these 3 words to the preamble of constitution. यही अभी तक की फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट अभी तक की अमेंडमेंट है टू द preamble of constitution. Next question. Advisor to the Constituent Assembly was B.N. Rao. He was appointed as Constituent Advisor to Constituent Assembly for formulating the draft of Indian Constitution, which was ready by October 1947. Question number 79. In Indian judicial system, writs are issued by C. The Supreme Court and High Court. Supreme Court under Article 32 and High Courts under Article 226. लेकिन दोनों की रिट पावर में डिफरेंस है. सुप्रीम कोर्ट रिट सिर्फ इशू कर सकता है इन केस ऑफ जब भी आपके फंडामेंटल राइट्स इंक्रोच होते हैं, लेकिन हाई कोर्ट इन अदर मैटर्स भी कर सकता है. लेकिन जो टेरिटोरियल जो अगर कहा जाए जो पावर है तो वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट के पास ज्यादा है रिट इशू करने की रेदर देन द हाई कोर्ट्स. सो मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. जो सिटीजनशिप एक्ट अमेंडमेंट एक्ट है, it falls under which of the following parts of Constitution of India? Answer is B. Article 5 to 11 under part B of under part 2 of Constitution of India deals with citizenship. और जो Citizenship Amendment Act 2019 है, it is an amendment to Citizenship Act 1955. So B is the correct answer. Moving on to next question. Recently, a rare kind of yellow turtle मिला था from village of Sujanpur in Odisha's Balasore district. B is the correct answer. और उसको कोई कॉन्जाइटल डिसऑर्डर था एल्बिनिज्म का, जिसके चलते इसका जो कलर था वो येलो था. एंड दिस टर्टल इज कॉल्ड इंडियन फ्लैप शेल टर्टल. असीम क्या है? आंसर इज बी. आत्मनिर्भर स्किल्ड एम्प्लॉयर मैपिंग. इट वॉज लॉन्च बाय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ स्किल डेवलपमेंट एंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप to help skilled people find sustainable livelihood opportunities. This is a portal. Question number 83. Program Stay in India and Study in India is initiated by Ministry of Education to prevent students from leaving the country seeking higher education abroad and also bringing back Indian students studying abroad. So C is the correct answer. India में which of the following lakes in India has large quantity of substance found in moon? Answer is A. लोनर लेक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. बुल्डाना डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है और इसमें सिमिलर रॉक्स मिले हैं विच वर ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम द मून. और अभी तक अर्थ पे लोनर क्रेटर और जो मेटोर क्रेटर है एरिजोना में, यही दोनों क्रेटर्स हैं जो नेचुरल क्रेटर्स हैं और वो बेसाल्ट के बने हुए हैं, विच इज अ वॉल्केनिक रॉक. दे आर मेड ऑफ बेसाल्ट. सो इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Next, the Pragyan rover installed in Chandrayaan 2 mission had how many wheels? 6. It was a 6-wheeled robotic vehicle. और प्रज्ञान का मीनिंग है विजडम इन संस्कृत. D is the correct answer. Question number 86. If the linear momentum of a moving object gets doubled due to application of force, its kinetic energy will increase by 4 times. Kinetic energy of a body of given mass is directly proportional to its square of its velocity. When momentum is doubled, mass remaining constant, the velocity is also doubled, which means the kinetic energy increases by 4 times. Question number 87. If the distance between two objects is increased by 2 times, the gravitational force between them will be decreased by a factor of 4. D is the correct answer. Next. Which of the following statement about properties of neutrons is not correct? D. Neutrons, they are located inside the atomic nuclei. So D is incorrect. Moving on to next question. Which one of the following statements with regard to ultraviolet light is not correct? It is not a longitudinal wave. C is the incorrect statement. Longitudinal waves are waves where vibrations are parallel to direction of propagation, like sound waves. So C is the incorrect statement. If the speed of light in air is represented by C and speed in a medium is V, then the refractive index of the medium will be? Answer is B. Refractive index का formula क्या होता है? This is speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in medium. So C by V is the correct answer. Question number 91. Under the kingdom Plantae, which of the following individuals are predominantly aquatic? Thallophyta, because they do not have well differentiated body designs. And algae commonly falls in this group. So B is the correct answer. They are predominantly aquatic. Bryophytes जो होते हैं, they are known as amphibians. Moving on to next question. All the individuals of a particular organism, such as rose plant, belong to taxonomic category of genus B. Next, pearls are harvested from D. Oysters. They are bivalves, which means that its shell is made of two parts or two valves. और नॉर्मली जो पर्ल्स होते हैं वैरायटी ऑफ कलर्स में होते हैं, वाइट, ब्लैक, ग्रे, रेड, ब्लू, बट मोस्ट पर्ल्स जो ब्लैक पर्ल्स हैं दे आर इंडिजिनियस टू साउथ पैसिफिक. जो ब्लैक हैं सिर्फ साउथ पैसिफिक में मिलते हैं. नेक्स्ट, wings of birds and bats are considered analogous structures because they have different origin and common function. They have similarity of function and superficial resemblance of structures that have different origins. So B is the correct answer. Next, apart from hyperacid secretion, peptic ulcers are also developed due to bacterial infection by Helicobacter. A is the correct answer. Next question, mixture of sodium chloride and ammonium chloride can be separated by sublimation. क्योंकि जब इसको हीट करेंगे तो अमोनियम क्लोराइड जो है वो it will change its state into from solid to vapor. So A is the correct answer. Moving on to next question. Symbol of element was introduced by John Dalton. A is the correct answer. He was the first to started using symbols to represent the atoms. Later on, J.J. Berzelius जो थे, he proposed in 1813 कि the chemical symbols should be based in Latin names. So 1813 में he proposed and generally it was adopted in the mid 19th century. Next, इनमें से कौन से elements हैं which are liquid at room temperature? The answer is bromine and mercury. It's a very very common question. So D is the correct answer. Which one of the following oxides show both acidic and basic behavior? जो एम्फोथेरिक ऑक्साइड होते हैं दे शो बोथ एसिडिक एंड बेसिक प्रॉपर्टीज. तो आंसर इज जिंक ऑक्साइड. Zinc oxide reacts with hydrochloric acid as well as sodium hydroxide to give salt and water. And in respective cases, in case of hydrochloric, it gives zinc chloride, and in case of sodium hydroxide, it gives sodium zincate. So A is the correct answer. Next question. Silver article turns black when kept in open for longer time due to the formation of silver sulfide. D is the correct answer. It reacts with sulfur compounds such as hydrogen sulfide and it forms silver sulfide. So D is the correct answer. Question number 101. Which of the following lenses will bend the light rays through largest angle? तो since जो ऑप्शन सी और डी है इसमें नेगेटिव पार्ट्स दी हुई हैं which are diverging or concave lens which eliminates C and D option. इसमें जिसमें ज़्यादा होगा it will bend more. So B is the correct answer. Question number 102. A luminous object is placed at a distance of 40 cm from a converging lens of focal length 25 cm. The image obtained in the screen is C. Inverted and magnified. When object is placed between center of curvature and focus, image formed is enlarged, real and inverted in convex lenses. So C is the correct answer. Question number 103. When a light ray enters into glass medium from water at an angle of incidence at 0 degree, angle of refraction will be 0. When angle of incidence is 0, angle of refraction would also be 0. Question number 104. Which of the following phenomena verifies that light travels much faster than sound? This is thunderstorm. Lightning and thunder, they both happen at same time, but we see lightning before we hear thunder. Sound always needs a medium to travel through, and type of medium determines the speed of sound, and light doesn't need a medium to travel. So C is the correct answer. Next question. Which one of the following combination of source and screen would produce sharpest shadow of an opaque object? Answer is A point source and an opaque screen. A is the correct answer. Question number 106. Which among the following is a non-conventional source of energy? Mean to say renewable source of energy? Answer is D, solar energy. It includes bioenergy, tidal and wind energy. Moving on to next question. Which one of the following statement about phloem is correct? B. Phloem transports photosynthetic products. This is correct. Food primarily जो sucrose it is transported by phloem from source to sink. So B is the correct answer. Question number 8. Mature Saccharine cells have D. Lignified wall and are dead. The cells they are usually dead cells that are heavily thickened secondary walls containing lignin, which makes them strong and waterproof. So D is the correct answer. Next question. In human beings, the chromosomes that determine birth of a normal female child is XX. In case of boys, this is XY. So XX. A is the correct answer. Question 110. Antibiotics such as penicillin blocks A. cell wall formation in bacteria, but the other methods are also used by the different antibiotics. Like for example, rifamycin, which is used for TB, it achieves a similar effect by inhibiting the synthesis of RNA, and many use DNA replication in bacteria. They prevent this by using DNA synthesis in bacteria. So A is the correct answer in case of penicillin. Next question. Radioactive isotope of hydrogen is tritium. C is the correct answer. Next, which one of the following is used for storing biological tissues? A. Liquid nitrogen. Cryogenically जो preserve samples होते हैं, they use liquid nitrogen to deep freeze. Even it is used to preserve embryos, tissues, entire organs. Moving on to next question. Which one of the following does not form oxide on reaction with oxygen? Answer is silver. Silver tarnishes when it comes in contact with oxygen, but it does not react. Silver, gold and platinum, they do not react with oxygen because they are less reactive. Next, the valency of phosphorus is, answer is D. It shows both the valencies 3 and 5. Next, lead nitrate on heating gives, it forms lead monoxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. So B is the correct answer. Next, which of the following is a decommissioned aircraft carrier? INS विराट इंडक्ट हुआ था नेवी में 1987 में and it was decommissioned 2017. Next question. Which one of the following has won singles title in Wimbledon tennis 2019? Answer is B. Simona Halep. She defeated Serena Williams to win this title. Next, recently जो सबमरीन ऑप्टिकल फाइबर केबल स्टार्ट किया गया, it connects major chunk of islands from Chennai to Port Blair to Little Andaman and Port Blair to Swaraj. So A is the answer here. Next question. In August 2020, Mahinda Rajapaksa took oath as Prime Minister of Sri Lanka for the 4th time. Next question. Which one of the following Indian Ocean island nation recently declared state of environmental emergency due to oil spill? Answer is Mauritius. They declared emergency over an oil spill caused by a Japanese ship MB Wakashio. So B is the correct answer. In the end, I will like to inform you people that many questions related to current affairs were asked directly from the monthly current affairs discussed on this platform of Success Capsule, for which the link is given in the description. People can check. If you people have any doubt or query, please do comment in the comment section. Your comments are highly valuable. If you people like our efforts, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.